Good morning, everyone. Today we'll show you how to pay cash on DoorDash. To pay with cash on DoorDash, first of all, open up the DoorDash website on your PC and then sign in into your account. Once you are signed in, you will be redirected to this web page. Here, all you need to do is make an order, simply access a restaurant, and then add something to your cart. Once you have made an order, what you are going to do is you are going to click on the checkout option and should be able to get to the payment page. After that, you will have different payment methods, and if you are paying by cash, then you should see the cash option. But if you do not see the cash option, that means that this restaurant doesn't accept cash payments, because as you know, not all restaurants accept cash payments. So you have got to check that, but if the cash option is available, then this is where you will have to choose the cash option. So that is basically how you can pay with cash on DoorDash. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.